So what's nice about the Sport is it's 51.5 inches wide between the dovetail sides. So it's kind of built for a 48-inch mower, 48-inch or smaller mower. Now you can take the sides off temporarily or permanently if you're trying to load bigger equipment, but I'll just give you a quick rundown of how it works. We'll load the Snow Raider on it and we'll go from there. So you basically just push straight down on both the handles and then you pull the ramp back towards you. We've got 2 gas springs on the side, so it makes it pretty effortless. So we'll go ahead and load this Snow Raider on here. And then once you're done loading your equipment, you basically just lift the ramp, gas springs do the work, and the latches lock in place. So they're self-latching. So the way this installs, if it's your first time installing it on a truck, it's probably gonna take a half hour, an hour if you're doing it by yourself. The way it installs, basically, we ran into a lot of issue, and we've seen other issues with like the cargo carriers that you see at the big box stores and stuff. They kind of wobble from side to side too much. So the way we've designed this hitch, there's actually a weldment inside the hitch here that wraps itself around the hitch pin. And when you tighten up this bolt here, it's arrow shaped, so it wedges itself into the hitch. So it's got a lot of pressure holding it into the hitch, not only with the hitch pin, and it makes it super robust from vibration and stuff like that. Then you've also got 2 bumper supports on either side for the bumpers. That touch the bumper. So it touches your truck in 3 spots, but it's really only attached to the hitch. And then kind of moving on to our next series of models. So this is the PU200 here. It's part of the Extreme series. What's nice about the Extreme series is it'll fit any pickup that's a 15 to 3500 long or short bed. So you can put this on an old truck. If you get a new truck, you can take it off, put it on the new truck. It touches the truck in 5 spots. 2 stake pockets up front, 2 in the back, and then the 2-inch receiver hitch. So we've got 2 mowers loaded on here right now. We drove all these rigs here from Maryland loaded in about 9 hours. So we've got a 48-inch right X in the front and then a 52-inch ZK in the back. So if you want to put 2 mowers with an Extreme series on a pickup truck, we say you should have an 8-foot bed, more than likely for them to fit. It's got a 3-foot dovetail and a 6-foot straight ramp, which is really nice. This is a lot better for your commercial use, everyday use. You got a 2,000-pound weight capacity on the ramp and dovetail. We'll go ahead and pop this mower off and I'll show you how the ramp works on this one. So yeah, as you guys can see with the Extreme series, you've got a lot wider dovetail here, so it makes it a lot safer for everyday use, load and unloading mowers. If it's going to be a dedicated mowing truck, this is really the best way to go. So that's a 48-inch mower up front, and then like I say, we have a 52 in the back. For our own lawn care company, we run a 36 and a 52 and setups like this. So, and then a couple other features we have on the Extreme series. So same thing here as far as the ramp goes. When you want to put the ramp up, it self-latches. When you want to put it down, you just pull these 2 handles and it comes down. So another feature that we have on the Extreme series is called the quick disconnect. So that's going to be the jack down there. We've got the jack handle, and we send some extra hardware and everything along. And what that allows, it allows one person to be able to pop the dovetail and ramp off by themselves, just like unhooking a trailer. So if one day a week you have to hook to a dump trailer, you just put the ramp down, lock in your turnbuckles, pull these 2 pins, pull the pin by the jack, crank it up, and it pops off right there so you can pull forward. And then this model here is the biggest model that we make. So this is called the ST100. This is built for flatbeds, box trucks, dump trucks. It's 80 inches wide, so you can fit up to a 72-inch mower inside. There's 2 72s in there right now. And then what's nice about this unit is it'll fit single rear wheel or dual rear wheel pickup. So again, you've got the same 3-foot dovetail, you got a 6-foot straight ramp. A lot of times those flatbeds and dump trucks, they sit higher, so we've got a 2-foot extension on the bottom to give you 11-foot angle of attack. If you guys are interested in these products, check us out at theramprack.com. Don't forget to use Blades 10, and we'll see you there.